Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Dokan to Google Sheets using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this video, I will first explain how to add a new vendor in Dokan. Then I will also use Dokan as a trigger node to send the newly added vendor's data directly to a Google Sheet. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Dokan as a trigger. Next, let's add Dokan as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Dokan New Vendor Added as the trigger. Now, click on the Listen Response button and go to the WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the Dokan Vendors page. Next, click on the Add New button and complete the process of adding a new vendor. Once a vendor has been successfully created, the vendor creation response will appear like this. This data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Dokan trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add Google Sheet as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then select your desired action from the drop-down options. Now choose Google Sheet, Add Row as an action. How to add Google Sheet as an action to your flows. You will find the Google Sheet Setup Guide link in the description below. Now, I will map the fields from the Dokan response to the corresponding fields in the Google Sheet. If you want to use advanced features, simply enable the Show Advanced Settings option. Once it's enabled, you will see various types of advanced features are available, allowing you to configure them according to your needs. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now, click on the Test Flow Once button, and then select Use Existing Data option to run the test. Once your flow has been successfully executed with the existing data, please check the logs to view more details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your vendor's added response has been successfully captured and recorded in the Google Sheet node. Step 5. Verify the vendor's added data in Google Sheet. Finally, go to your Google Sheet. Here, you can see that the newly added vendor's data has been successfully stored in the Google Sheet. That's how you can easily send Dokan vendor added data to a Google Sheet using BitFlows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.